Hello everyone, it's Oliver from Minerva, and in this video we will be showcasing 5 of our new arrival cozy knit fabrics. All of these fabrics are extremely soft to the touch and are a perfect choice if you are creating a sweatshirt or something to keep you warm in the cooler months. With each of these fabrics we have also paired a sewing pattern to give you the inspiration on your next make. Here we have 5 delightful cozy knit new arrival fabrics to share. The first being this Lurex chunky sweater stretch knit fabric. This fabric is a composition of viscose, polyester, polyamide and Lurex, and you can tell up close straight away that this 7% Lurex really gives it this subtle shine and sparkle throughout this knit fabric. This is a very stretchy fabric, making it a perfect choice for sweaters or sweatshirts. At 158 centimeters or 62.2 inches wide, this medium weight fabric sure does give you a lot of value for money. This fabric feels extremely soft on the skin. It has a spectacular drape. I really don't want to put it down. For this fabric, we think the named clothing Talviki sweater sewing pattern would be a great choice working with this medium weight, very stretchy sweatshirt fabric. Without a shadow of a doubt, this is probably the softest fabric out of all of these fabrics today, and that's saying something because we have some very soft fabrics to share with you. With this beautiful drape, this would be a great addition in your wardrobe. All of the patterns and fabrics listed in this video will be tagged down below so that you can find them easily. As always, you can save this video in your favourites to come back to later. Next up, we have this cable sweater stretch knit fabric. Now this colour here is beige, and already you can tell straight away it's not actually a textured fabric. This is a print of a texture on this stretch knit fabric. It means that this composition of 95% cotton and 5% lycra gives it that very, very nice stretch to it. This knit fabric is 150 centimeters or 59.1 inches wide and is of medium weight. This fabric feels lovely on the skin and has such a great drape. We think it would go well with the Billy sweatshirt and dress sewing pattern from Tilly and the Buttons. This pattern suggests sweatshirt fleece, French terry or sweater knits with at least 10% stretch, and you really do get that 10% stretch with this fabric. It has this cable sweater design printed on this fabric while still being very breathable and extremely soft on the skin. We think it would look absolutely incredible and is sure to be a perfect choice to keep you warm. This next fabric is the beige chunky tubular rib stretch knit fabric. Now this again is a composition of 95% cotton and 5% lycra, giving it that very nice stretch there. Now this heavyweight fabric is only 70 centimeters or 27.6 inches wide, but that is because it comes in this tubular rib design. Now this is a perfect choice for any kind of sweatshirt with a hem around the bottom or even the cuffs. It's a lovely soft feel and will give that professional finish to any sweatshirt project. We've actually decided to pair this fabric with the McCall's sewing pattern 7979. This is listed as an average difficulty sewing pattern and it suggests fabrics with a moderate stretch knit, making this fabric a perfect choice for the McCall's sewing pattern. This is the beige colour, but we do have a wide variation of different colourways on our fabric, making sure that there is a perfect choice for everyone's style. If you sign up to the Minerva Craft Club, you will also receive 10% off all orders for the next 12 months. It's a great way to save money on your makes and also to support local, national and global charities. The next cozy knit new arrival we will be showing you is the cotton ottoman rib stretch knit fabric. Now again, this is a lovely neutral sand colour. This has a composition of 100% cotton and it is a stretch fabric that is 160 centimeters or 63 inches wide. That means a little of this fabric goes a very long way. Now this medium to heavyweight fabric has such a beautiful drape and feels incredibly soft on the skin. We think this would pair great with the Vogue sewing pattern 16 1.35, meaning that this loose fitted misses top in 2 variations of length would be a perfect choice to keep you warm during those cooler months. This is definitely a moderate stretch knit fabric, making it a perfect choice for this sewing pattern. And what's more, the texture is a lovely, soft, almost corduroy lined design. It feels so soft on the skin and would be a perfect choice for the Vogue sewing pattern 1635. The last addition we have to show you today is this cotton waffle textured stretch knit fabric. This colour here is a lovely light cream. However, we do have a lot of different colourways on our website, making sure that there is a perfect choice for everyone's style. This stretch knit fabric is 140 centimetres or 55.1 inches wide. This medium to heavyweight fabric is very soft and it feels superb on the skin. We think this fabric would pair well with the Great Line Studio Linden sweatshirt sewing pattern. Suggested fabrics for this sewing pattern are medium weight knits with a minimum of 20% stretch, making this cotton waffle textured fabric a perfect choice for this sweatshirt. This pattern features long sleeves with cuffs and is a great option for a cozy jumper to keep you warm. Here at Minerva, it's our passion to connect makers worldwide. So if you do use any of the products listed in this video, be sure to tag them in your posts. We love to see what you create. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and we will get back to you. This t-shirt was created with the Strathcona Henley sewing pattern from Thread Theory Designs with this absolutely incredible geometric stretch knit fabric. Of course, they will be also tagged down below should you wish to find them for your next project. You can follow us here at Minerva for more videos such as this one.